Minion, budgie.
Minion, come here. I'm gonna go make some coffee. You be a good bird. Oh, you're cut off. Minion has been cut off. That's kind of better. Okay, I'll be back. You be a chatterbox while I'm gone.
Still, but you got they don't have tires of misery. Sister stuck is the Dutch and misery. Okay, come here. How you doing? Kiss down my face the worst of doing. What is your thing? You got a kiss. I love Nautica. Come here. But you got kissed down with the sheep. But you got a thing. Think they'll have that on the tour. Cheapest on for sale, should be. Like Junior's up the don't start it, trip work this time. That's that. But put that kid in the budgie. Yes! That's got the groceries. Think they'll have that on the tour. This can marry kids or they've been to work scissor. Good start it, trip work is okay for me too. Some books are for me. I want to see their little highness. Think they'll have it on the tour. The tires, Betty Rail Beal, and no one touch me. But you look to the pirate. Just in the back. Good night, love. Meet that girl. She married Whitey girl and not a and Minion Smith. Master, have they one time pirate? And you let me do it. Alice in the damn here. Live budgie for me. Kindness white man. Budgie's wants Mary. Is the they'll have they on the tour? The girl, Minion Sophia, and Mary Basil for me. Highway time. Ladies, welcome your upperseas. And let's convert. Down the master have been beginning. Think they'll have that on the tool. They throw it down kingdoms. The good folks military. Big budgie. The whitest flat wings she tail meat. The Basil Via bear seat. Married to the scary sea bear. Big budgie running. Kingdom sea dollar spazzer. A little budgie of sea bear. Yes, beer pirate. Light beer the pirate. Patches back the timber sea terry. With the king scary key. Pirate bear parrot me. A guitar should be. Think they'll have that on the tour. Think they'll have that on the tour. Key for me terry. Whitey girl budgie real beer. Think they'll have that on the tour. Twin desert. They are colored and mid below. It's no kid should be French word. Budgie. Then she's okay up her she's to should be finger happy. They Whitey budgie girl. Cheap is not for sale, have it on again. Budgie frisbee give me Terry. Terry. Think they'll have that on the tour.
Hey, Minion, what are you doing over there? Minion. They're likely not going to break. Whitey! This looks really nice.
I love you. What can I help you? Hi, Whitey. Come here, budgie. Big budgie. Xavier says she was on for said wait out. Okay, let's say I'm a guy to her. Mr. Happy Adventure Desert. Pirate piece of minutes the Mr. Happy. To catch the time with scarce here. Xavier. You're at the wind. Whitey out. Come here. How are you doing, Truly? Come here, kiss. I love you. Flap your wings. Flap your wing in. Cheap as up. Come here, pretty budgie out. Carry. Scarce here. I come blame the time in. Cheap for shits. Scary is he. Budgie for me to read. Whitey's flap. Minion. Come here. Hi, Whitey. Dobby. Slip budgie is a big kiss. Bad man. Right. Big flap. Give it to your beat. Highway desert. It's the don't have down the door. Kiss me like this shit. Get me to you. We wish it to you, budgie. It's the cage side work. Daily gasper. Highway tiny. Budgie's walkway. It must go secret. Hi, Jimmy. How are you doing? See you. Happy times, station beer. Cheap as $100. No, me. Happy one smearing. Your power to ride me to bloody cranes. If the head out the door, keep up so happier. She's don't stir, they truly. Pick the head. Up the canary. Get the pirate. Yes. In the back, come here, kiss me. Upper slap me. Budgie that I know. Me, big pirate. No, it is Sophia here. Come here, look. Hi there, Whitey. Budgie. For scary theory. I fear it. Is MCC where? Is it done? To dress up. Welcome to accept budgie for me to read. Shit, Minion. How are you tying up? Damn, pirate. Pirate. Yes, God, man, look. But God, not see that's naturally for me. Scarce theory. It must come the time. If they'll have that on the tour. Think they'll have it on the tour. Ceased. Cheap as on where's the tailor. Think they'll have it on the tailor. Eat out. Look at the giants, man. Come here. Hi, Whitey. Come and flap your wings. Minion is a purple budgie. Come here. Upper's Whitey girlie. Wait a minute, tongue. Come on, Taylor. You blind, man. Budgie, you flap your wings. Come and flap your wings. A big budgie for me to flap your wings. I'm not a good parrot. What? Come here. Budgie down. What here the time is plowed. Think where. Budgie down. Scares here. I am pirate. Ask on your phone. Get back in your hero tail of the work. Mr. Happy one. That's it. The pirate for no.
Whitey, stop that.
Sit down, Whipper. Sit down. What have you been having, Minion? How are you happy waiting for big bear? No, Whitey. In the tail, finger flapper. No, beam is a factory. I love you, you pirate. Somewhere for ladies, welcome. Inside out. Okay, the brushy belly. Yes, Mary. Come here, hi, Whitey. Budgie tiny. You're at the wingman. How are you doing? It's me. Flap your wings. Come and flap your wings. Yeah, Budgie. Tires, welcome to Wazer. Come here, hi, Whitey. Can I touch your feet? Pirate, parrot, hip. Walkie-talkie, my flow. Don't hit me, Terry. Whitey's wants me. Can I touch your Budgie off your wing? Scavier is here. Hi, Whitey. Come here, purple budgie girl with nautica. No bite. Hi, nautic. Budgie dog.
Good morning, Minion. You want to come out? Come on out, buddy. Come on out. Good boy. I hope we got that. Good morning, Minion. Good morning, Minion. How are you doing today? Hi, Mr. Budgie. Well, I hope you guys liked his talking video. Here's the setup. That's where the camera goes in there. But now I realize I need to move it a little bit. Come here, Minion. I have to move that, don't I, a little bit to the right. Because he also uses that rainbow rope back there. Which is, yeah, that rainbow rope. Do you want to go out, Budgie? He talks up there a lot, too. So he was off camera. You guys could kind of see his budgie beak. Give me a kiss. I'm going to play with Whitey. Go play with Whitey. Yes, Minion. Alright, hope you guys liked this talking video. Maybe I'll try to do more of these morning time chatters with him, because that's when he says a lot of his vocabulary. But the drawback is, of course, it's dark in here because I'm working in the mornings and most of them are still asleep. But yeah, the hardest thing is positioning the camera to go, see, between, it hooks in there and then you want it to go between one of the bars. I used to have it inside, but then I couldn't push the screen very well and delete stuff through the bars, and that would distract him and he would come off his perch and come over and want to play with my fingers. So that didn't work very well. See, Whitey has hers inside. She doesn't come over and grab my fingers. Hi, Minion. But it is very difficult to work the camera, and I need to think of a better setup for her because the water bottle's right there. And heck, it's really hard. She likes to stand on this perch. And all that noise you guys heard, you see that star toy back there? Let's let her out. She loves that. That's her favorite toy of the new birthday toys that she got. Hi, Minion. Minion's kissing me in the head. Well, she loves to bang it around. If I haven't already done a video about that, I will. But these are her favorite types of toys. Rope toys with beads on them. So she likes that a lot. Don't you, Whitey? Don't you, Whitey? Mwah, Minion got kissed in the stomach. Alright, say goodbye, budgie. Bye-bye.